I can't put this on it.
Why can't you?
Well, I can't put this on this one because this gotta. This pin, this will unlock the pin, so it don't matter.
Oh.
So this can't go on here. But you saying why am I putting this on this first?
Yeah.
Because if I put this on
If you
here,
put it on there first,
it's going
whatever's in there, exactly.
Right.
That's the mistake that people make. They go, oh, I need the adapter. Let me put the adapter on. Well, guess what? You can get sprayed in the face with refrigerant.
Uh-huh.
There's a way of doing things, guys. This is why I tell people, you have to get your hands on the equipment so that when you're doing this stuff for real, you know what to avoid doing.
I got a question. Why do you have these on?
Those are shut-off valves. So take that Allen key. There's an Allen key up there on top. Put the Allen key inside those holes.
It's perfect.
So right now, if you turn it clockwise, what are you doing?
Closing it?
You're closing it. If you turn it counterclockwise, what are you doing?
Opening it.
Opening it.
Okay? So that's called back seating. Now, right now, we don't want a back seat. We want a front seat. We want those valves closed. So we're going to close those valves. The reason why we're closing those valves, when the machines come brand new, the refrigerant is inside this outdoor unit. We don't have to put the refrigerant in there. It's already in it. So all we have to do is connect the refrigerant lines, do the pressure test, evacuate, and then we can backseat those valves and we can release the refrigerant that's already inside the outdoor unit. So right now, we want to pressure test the refrigerant lines that we just connected. So how are we going to do that? How are we going to pressure test? You just connected the refrigerant lines.
Well, I'll connect this to nitrogen.
Okay.